Welcome to the Bonaire's engine room. The physical machines are lost to history, but this exhibit for students aims to spark interest in curating the knowledge of this remarkable technology. A group of 28 students aged 12 to 14 years old arrives at the ship. They divide into two groups, of which one visits the engine room at a time. A single solution will not be right for all of them. They have distinct individual preferences. In order to make them feel welcome, a tailored approach is taken to the exhibit design, using multiple solutions to cater to different students. The interaction needs to be simple, so that the difficult content can be explained clearly. The exhibit is structured like a story. This story is broken up into chapters that are told by a series of 4 interactive installations. Visitors in the engine room can use these installations in any order, and even skip one or several. Therefore, each installation is a self-contained chapter of the story that can be interesting even without context. The installations create a narrative for each visitor by means of identifiers and a central computer. When a visitor uses one installation by first scanning their ticket and then move to the next installation, the second feeds back some of their activities during the first interaction. The digital interaction of each installation is form-fit into the same format. When idle, the screen shows a preview of the interaction. After identifying themselves, a visitor gets an explanation of how the interaction works. And after the interaction, the visitor gets shown how they did, and what meaning that might have had in the real ship. Along with the results, the visitor also gets suggestions on where to go next, with descriptions of the other installations. The 4 installations focus on the information that is essential for the Bonaire's heritage. The first installation is a touchscreen that allows visitors to build a boiler and a steam engine from several parts each. In the second installation, visitors can physically shovel coal into an opening that represents the boiler and open water valves, and get multi-sensory feedback as well as animations of what happens inside the boiler. In the third installation, visitors place authentic miniature machines on a screen, showing a top-down engine room, which then shows information about those machines, their connections, and challenges visitors to create an efficient room layout. The final installation allows visitors to use a steering wheel and telegraph to commandeer their own ship on a projected map on the floor, finding out about coal reserves and naval warfare in the process. With the Codex Bonaire, the engine room will come alive, show the remarkable technology of the ship's engine, and teach younger generations how cool steam technology was. With it, the Bonaire's heritage will be carried on and enriched.